it and I'll pull. Or do you want to ride in it again? You want to ride? Want to go for a ride? No? Okay. Here. You push it then. You push the sled and I'll pull, okay? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, you push.
Oh, good job, Marty.
Way to go.
Wave.
Good job. Keep pushing.
Oh, it's nice out.
Oh, don't stand on the sled. There we go. Okay. Push it again. You gotta push it to get it started. There we go. Good job. Yeah. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, you're going the other way.